This video is going to cover setting up multi-user options available in the Lab Manager Professional or Lab Manager 5.5. Now, on a server, you're just going to get it installed, and the database is normally stored on the C drive under the LM132 folder. But on a workstation, and that would be what the multi-user would be implying, in a workstation, you don't have the database on that workstation itself. So you need to tell it on the workstation where the database can be found. So on this computer, so we're going to pretend that this is a workstation. This does not have the data, and we're going to go in and tell it where the database can be found. So you're going to go to the main menu, utility menu, change company, edit database connections, and you're going to click on the option here for current month, and then click on find database. And maybe our database is found on a different drive, so we're going to pretend this is our server. So we're going to go to the E drive. Actually, let's go to our G drive. So on my G drive is where I have an LM data. So I'm going to connect to that. So you can see now my current month says that my database is at the G drive called LM data. I'm then going to click close and then use the drop down list, click on current month. That will then see the data through the network. So it will say current path G and then :/lmdata.mdb, and that's where the database is actually stored. And then multiple labs would be able to use the information from multiple computers as long as you're keyed for multi-user. And then you also need to make sure that you have the same version of Lab Manager installed on each one of your computers. Otherwise, with different versions trying to connect to the same database, it could cause errors. So if you have any additional questions or if you need help getting it installed, our tech support is also available to answer questions, or if you have a phone support contract, of course, they can also connect with you.